Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section. Here you have to find the line build number, which is located at the bottom of this section, and you have to tap it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options in system section here. Here they are, all of these very interesting and useful developer options. You can get access to them and get to know with all them by yourself. And you can also disable them here, and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.